Today, we are all here because we want to make a difference. We are going to assemble 100 solar lights today. So what does 100 solar lights mean? 100 solar lights, they are going to help 500 children in poverty. So with each solar light we fix today, we are illuminating to a path of education, safety, and better life quality for the children.
Both companies gave out, hours for the employee to do good cause. We should always use it. For today, it's about the Cambodian children. It's about giving them light so that they can see.
25% of children live under poverty in Southeast Asia. So us doing this actually matters a lot to a bunch of people in Cambodia, so far away from us. We don't know their names, we don't even know of their existence. But I can tell you what we do today, later in that 1 hour, will really change lives. So I really see this as a partnership, a true partnership. It's not just about business, it's also about doing good, it's also about contributing back to the society at large. Remember, someone else under the same sun, under the same moon is going to benefit from your action today, and you are changing lives.